Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube automation course part 2. So you can visit my YouTube channel and just go to playlist section and you will find a playlist AI Faceless YouTube automation full course. Okay, so open this playlist and you will find one video over here. 13 days ago I uploaded AI Faceless YouTube automation full course. So if you are first time watching this video, just visit the YouTube channel and just watch this video so that you can get complete idea and you can understand what is our target and what can I do, and so that will help you and also that you motivate you to watch these tutorials and follow the steps. So let's get started with automation full course completely free part 2. Alright guys, so this is our part 1 slide, AI Faceless YouTube video automation full course, make money with AI. Alright guys, so let's jump into our next slide, niche selection. So in this tutorial, that's been in this part, I'm going to show you how you can select niche, especially a specific topic, and how you research your audience. Okay, here you can see choose a specific topic and research your audience. So if you are dedicated and if you want to make money on YouTube using AI automation or AI videos, so definitely you have to choose a specific topic. So I'm going to show you how you can find a specific topic and how you can choose. So I will give you the resource and I will give you the examples so that you can research. Okay, and number 2, research your audience. So who is your target audience? So maybe you are from India, you are from South Asian country, you are from Africa or European country. So definitely you have to target English based country like USA, UK, Canada, Australia. So first of all, choose a specific topic. So let's jump into next slide. I'm going to show you how you can find a specific topic. So I will show you 6 or 7 topic and you can pick one of them. Okay, and finally I'm going to show you how you can research your target audience. So let's jump into next slide. High CPM YouTube video ideas targeting the USA audience. So you can use ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek to research your high CPM or targeting audience. So I've already researched, so you don't have to spend time, just watch these tutorials and just note down why we are targeting USA, because USA is the #1 best consumer country, and that's why the companies are willingly to pay more money on advertisement. Okay, so let's discover some ideas over here. The first one is finance and investing. If you are not interested on finance or investing, don't worry, just wait. I will show you more ideas so that you can grab. Okay, so the number 1, finance and investing, and number 1 is why is high CPM. The financial companies often bid high for ads targeting wealth related topics. What kind of video you can produce? Like you can create how to start investing for beginners in 2025. That would be your video topic. And then another one, it could be best credit cards for high credit scores. The third one is a step-by-step guide to create a passive income stream. That's our examples. Second niche idea, okay, it's a technology and software reviews. The pretty much same. Why high CPM? Because tech companies and SaaS tools pay premium rates for ad placements. Okay, so what kind of videos you can make? You can create top 5 AI tools you should know in 2025. That would be a topic, a video topic. You can create a video on this topic particular. Okay, how to maximize your productivity using different kind of software. Okay, so you can create a video on this topic if you are interested in blockchain. Okay, so let's back to 3. Number 3 is health and wellness. So why is high CPM? The same brands in fitness, wellness and pharmaceutical space pay high CPM rates, health related audience. So you can create 10 proven ways to lose weight in 2025. You can create also the best supplements for better sleep and focus, beginners yoga routine for stress relief. Okay, so you can create this kind of health and wellness video. So maybe you have wondered you are not fitness guru or yoga gurus, so don't worry at all, because we're going to use AI to create this kind of videos. Okay, so don't worry at all. Number 4 is business and entrepreneurship. Okay, So why high CPM? Because B2B service and entrepreneurship, so it's all about businesses. Okay, so all these companies are targeting the businesses owner and custom audience, okay, so that they can more sell and earning money. So you can produce videos, particularly like how to start a profitable side hustle in 30 days. You can make a videos on the topic, top 3 business models to try in 2025, how to build an online store without coding. Okay, so also you will find lots of tutorials about there. Okay, the number 5 is education and online learning, that I am very much interested about this. Top websites to learn coding for free. You can create this kind of tutorials and this kind of AI videos, how to get a full scholarship in the USA, best online courses for career growth 2025. Alright, so companies offering online courses or learning platforms bid highly in this niche. And number 6 is real estate. So you don't have to show your face. Okay, so you can create videos like how to buy your first home in the USA, top real estate trends to watch in 2025, schedule renter by pros and cons explained. So real estate companies and mortgage services pay premium ad rates, all of you know that. Okay, and last but not least, a luxury lifestyle. So why is high CPM? Because luxury brands and advertisers always targeted high net audience. Okay, so we can create top 5 luxury assets to invest in this, the ultimate guide to buying a luxury car inside the most expensive homes in the USA. So we can create this kind of topic videos. Okay, all right guys, so we'll continue with the topic. That's been the idea. I'm going to pick luxury lifestyle. That's been, I will cover each and every steps with luxury and lifestyle topic. That's been, I will finally create a YouTube channel, and then I will create a video script, then I will create videos, and then I will upload, I will do SEO. So I will show you step-by-step tutorials. So this is part 2 guys, so I highly recommend to save this playlist and bookmark this. Okay, so that you can, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Okay, so that when I upload you can notify this video. Okay, we are going to use ChatGPT. You can use Gemini or DeepSeek. Okay, so using ChatGPT, we just want to find more video ideas on luxury and goods. Okay, so I want 60 video ideas for luxury lifestyle in the USA. Just prompt this and just click on enter and just wait. So ChatGPT will give you 60, I think, yes, 60 video ideas. Here you can see this is the luxury homes and real estate. This is the combination of luxury homes and real estate, and luxury cars and privates, luxury travel and hotels, and each and every section you will find maybe 5, yes, 5 topic. Okay, so it's okay, no problem. So this is 60 video ideas generated within a minute. So you can use ChatGPT. Okay guys, and the next section, all right guys, and the next comment you can write, okay, so I'm just writing here, I want to create a 120 seconds long video for every 60 ideas, target an audience in the USA, make a script for every 60 ideas with more attractive and end call to action, subscribe and more videos, add more info so that the audience love this. Okay, and add a clickable title first and add 30 YouTube tags for each. Okay, so you can write, also you can rewrite as your own way. All right guys, so that's a massive project. Since you want 60 high quality video script with engaging content, strong call to action and 30 YouTube tags per script, I will start with one complete script first. If you like the format, I will continue with the rest. Perfect. Okay guys, so our script is already ready. This is the number 1 script. As an example, here you can see the title, inside a 50 million Beverly Hills mega mansion, luxury at its best. Perfect. Right guys, and this is the script. That's amazing. Okay, and this is the YouTube tags already generated. So we have already title, script and tags. So what else we need? We need video creation. So before video creation, we definitely need a YouTube channel. So in the next part, I will show you the each and everything, how you can create a YouTube channel, and with just zero knowledge, just creating Gmail account and then YouTube setup, each and everything, a banner, logo, description. Okay, so don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I will show you how you can create a complete YouTube channel. I will show you each and everything okay, and then in the fourth I will show you how you can create the videos and other steps. Okay, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.